So to begin with, we're finding the antiderivative. So here's the derivative. And this one should be rewritten as x to the 1/3. Now we're using the general power rule backwards. So instead of multiply and subtract 1 in order to find a derivative, you do the opposite. Add 1 to this and then divide by that number. So the original function f of x is going to be x to the, so add 1, that's going to be 4/3, and then divide by that number. The same thing here is going to be x to the 5th over 5, and at the end, plus a constant. And then this should be rewritten, so to divide a fraction by a fraction, you invert and multiply. And the rest of it is already cleaned up. The last thing to do is, many times you would stop right there and say just a plus c at the end. But then this is giving us information we can plug in and find out what is c. So this says if you substitute a 0 for x, then as a result you're going to get the answer 2. So it turns out that c is equal to 2. So as my final answer, I've got f of x is equal to 3/4 of x to the 4/3 plus 6x to the 5 over 5 plus a 2.